I got another video here. I'm just gonna go grab my helmet quickly, and it's about to rain, so if everything goes good, this video will be out later today. I've got a new mount on. I bought a chest mount, so and we got some keys at the moment. Yeah. Drop them there. Alright. I don't know if you'll let me know how this filming is. Oh my god, it's so muddy. Even on the rocks. Alright. Alright, we're just gonna have it there. I don't know how this is gonna be. Oh yeah, she's slick. Haven't ridden in a couple of days, so maybe a bit rusty. Because it has literally not stopped raining. Like, I haven't seen this before. Like, all that shit's full, so yeah. Jesus Christ, it's so slippery. Alright, but all this stuff is full. I have not seen that the whole time I've lived here. And someone needs to DM me on TikTok and let me know how I can get the speedometer on my videos. Because I really want to get that, but I can't get that till someone tells me because I have no clue how to do it. But, yeah. Alright, I'll get a couple of wheelies going. Hopefully these videos are a bit better, but I'm not swearing all the time because my GoPro mount is actually working. Oh, I'm getting wet. And I don't have a lot of rear tyre on the back, so yeah. Holy shit, there's a kangaroo there. Hi kangaroo. Oh, let's chase him. Oh, where's bro going? Oh no, please don't go in our pack. Please don't go down there. Oh no. I chased the kangaroo just then. I feel bad. Poor bloke was just trying to get back to his home. Hopefully I can try and ride my motorbike soon, but I'm also actually racing go-karts. So in go-karts there won't be a lot of speaking, but there'll be, yeah. I'm trying to get first place and stuff because I need to start now. so I can try and actually become something in it. Oh, mud. No, I don't like mud. Ow. But it is so wet right now. I haven't seen it this wet in a little bit. But if I lived at my old house, I had a full-blown motocross track there, so it would be mint for this and mint for all my motos. But we moved, which is very, very sad. But yeah, I might try and do a one-hander. Nice. Here's my rear tyre. Oh, I kind of want to stand on the seat and do a seat wheelie, but it's wet. Missed my peg and hit my kickstand. Now I still have not cut the limiter. It maxes out at the moment probably about 85-ish. But yeah, so 85-ish, and it says it should gain an extra bloody 8 kilometers an hour if you disable that bloody cut the thing. So I might do that, but I got a couple of bits planned. Bigger brake rotors, double bloody, I'll have a foot brake on there soon. So yeah, but like that, I haven't seen that before. That's interesting. Never seen that before, but what is that? My front brakes get really hot really quickly, which is weird, but yeah. The only thing I'd probably do to this is the eBMX controller, because apparently they do about 100 to 105, which is basically the same as an E-Ride. A little bit faster than the E-Ride, but yeah, apparently they do 100 to 105, which is not bad at all. That is actually really, really good. But that's the thing, you might as well buy the E-Ride and spend the bloody and spend an extra $500 than buy the and buy everything else. Like this Sur-Ron brand new, they're $7,500, and an E-Ride brand new is I think $8,200, a little bit more, so it's a little bit more than $500. But yeah, might as well spend the extra money than having to spend probably about 10 grand on parts to make it what you want it. My bike is leaning. Holy shit, shot loops. It's about to rain. But yeah, this is gonna be a bit of a boring one, but we're gonna go, might have to go get some clips of the bike to put it down there. So hey, it's raining. I don't know why I put these on there. I'll pick that up later. Oh, I'll pick that up after I'm done filming. Right. There we go, I got the clips for the TikTok. So probably be a TikTok coming out and I have to go to dinner later, which kind of sucks, but yeah, we'll probably be just waiting a little bit because there's no point doing it now when I have barely any money, because I'll get halfway through the build and I'll just have shit sitting everywhere. So may as well wait for it to happen. I reckon I might do one more wheelie because this rain does not look like it's going to stop anytime soon. So I'll do one more wheelie and then I might call it an end. But we are getting more subscribers. Every video I post, we gain probably about 5 subscribers. So, and we got 33 or something last time I checked. But I really want to get a video to about 1,000 views, because that will just be that will literally just boost my account. And I don't want to do ads yet, because ads are kind of gay. I hate when you're watching a YouTube video, and yeah, but I could be earning money if I do ads. But I can't see. I'm literally wheeling blind. Oh, man. Bloody hell, man. So, I'm drenched. Yeah, this is definitely the end of the video. But hopefully we can try and get this video to at least 500 views. Because I'll be pretty happy with 500 views. But, yeah. Yeah, the next video will probably be out tomorrow or the next day, I reckon. But, yeah. See you guys later.